Alex, and tonight I'm going to be reading you a story. The Cat in the Hat Comes Back. This was no time for play. This was no time for fun. This was no time for games. There was work to be done. All that deep, deep snow, all that snow had to go. When our mother went down to the town for the day, she said, somebody has to clean all this away. Somebody has to, you'll see. Then she picked out two somebodies, Sally and me. Oh, well, there we were. We were working like that. And then who should come up but the Cat in the Hat? Oh, said Sally. Don't you talk to that cat. That cat's a bad one. That Cat in the Hat. He plays lots of bad tricks. Don't you let him come near. You know what he did the last time he was here. Play tricks, laughed the cat. Oh my, no. I just want to go in to get out of the snow. Keep your mind on your work. You just stay there, you two. I will go in the house and find something to do. Then that cat went right in. He was up to no good, so I ran in after as fast as I could. Do you know where I found him? You know where he was? He was eating cake in the tub. Yes, he was. The hot water was on, and the cold water too. And I said to the cat, what a bad thing to do. But I like to eat cake in the tub, laughed the cat. You should try it sometime, laughed the cat as he sat. And then I got mad. This was no time for fun. I said, Cat, you get out. There is work to be done. I have no time for tricks. I must go back and dig. I can't have you in here, eating cake like a pig. You get out of this house. We don't want you about. Then I shut off the water and let it run out. The water had run out. The water ran out And then I saw the ring, a ring in the tub, and oh boy, that thing, what a thing. A big long pink cat ring. I looked at the pink ink and I said, will this ever come off? I don't think. I have no fear of that ring, laughed the cat in the hat. Why, I can take cat rings off tubs just like that. Don't you know how I did it? How he did it with Mother's white dress. How the tub was clean, all clean, but her dress was a mess. Then Sally looked in. Sally saw the dress too. Did not know. I did not know what to do. So we should work in the snow, but that dress is a spot. It may never come off. Sally said, it may not. But the cat laughed. Ho ho, I can make the spot go the way I take spots off a dress is just so. See here, laughed the cat. It is not hard at all. The thing that takes spots off a dress is a wall. Then we saw the cat wipe the spot off the dress. Now the dress was all clean, but the wall, that's a mess. What a mess. Oh, well, spots, laughed the cat. Let me tell you some news. To take spots off a wall, all I need is 2 shoes. Whose shoes did he use? I looked and saw whose shoes, and I said to the cat, this is very bad news. Now the spot is all over Dad's £7 shoes. But Your dad will not know about that, said the cat. He will never find out, laughed the Cat in the Hat. His £7 shoes will have no spots at all. I will rub them right off on this rug in the hall. But now we have rug spots, I yelled. What a day. Rug spots, what next? Can you take them away? Don't ask me, laughed the cat. Why, you know that I can clean them. Then he picked up the rug and away went the cat. The cat ran. I can clean up those rug spots before you count 3. No spots are too hard for the Cat in the Hat. He ran into Dad's bedroom and then the cat said, Is this a good that your dad has the right kind of bed? When he shook the rug, crack, how the bed had the spot, and all I could say was, now that cat, now what cat, now what? But the cat just stood still. He just looked at the bed. It is not the right kind of bed, the cat said. To take spots off this bed, I will it be hard, said the cat. I can't do it alone, said the Cat in the Hat. It is good I have someone to help me, he said, right here in my hat, on the top of my head. It is good that I have him here with me today. He helps me a lot. This is Little Cat A. And then Little Cat A took the hat off his head. It is good I have someone to help me, he said. This is little cat B, and I keep him about, and when I need help, then I let him come out. And then B said, I think we need little cat C. That spot is too much for the A cat and me, but now have no fear. We will clean that it away. The three of us, little cat B, C and A. That's all we have time for tonight. We'll carry on tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe for more.